Hey guys, Don Master here. Quick little video. Mac Tools. Got a couple things I ordered. Got this guy. It's in the flyer for 100 off. And I think they make probably the best amp clamps for the price. This one's a 5 milliamp to 30 amp. So it does a good range. Normally $279 on sale for I think it was $149. Pretty good deal, $100 off. Specs for you guys right there. I do a lot of electrical diagnostics, so this thing's gonna come handy, save me some time. Got a couple cheap little things that are in the flyer. This guy I ordered last week. These two things I ordered, they came in today. The UK 200 folding utility knife with 10 blades. Nice little unit. And by the way, the amp clamp part number is an EM121. I got this deal for $7, or $5, I don't remember. HC30Z industrial hand cleaner, made in USA, with a nice little hand brush, good quality. And then I got a 3-pack of these guys for like $7, I think. Rubber nozzles, good to have. I wonder where these are made. Made in Denmark. So anyway, just a quick little haul for you guys. I got some cool stuff on order from Mac that will trickle in, that I'm going to show you guys. Some USA stuff. Let's get back into the USA quality. It's worth it. So let me get these two guys open for you. Alright, here you go. Here's the amp clamp. Pretty nice. AC DC setting. Dial it in. Open it up. Comes with a battery and Paco heavy duty. Comes with your Pro banana things, and then that end. Pretty cool. I think this thing's gonna come pretty handy. It's gonna get it done. Not a lot of guys have this stuff, and heavy diagnostics require it. Makes it easier. Here's the blades. You get 10 extra blades with this little guy. Nice little unit. Nice kind of rubbery texture on it. Pretty cool. Little knife. Speaking of knives, I actually got a knife sharpener I forgot to grab. So I got that. Has a little lock button. Nice for in the pocket. And I also got this knife sharpener. Triangle sharpener. So it has two different sizes, 35 degree and 45 degree. Pretty cool. Anyway, I like Mac. They have good little deals. This is part of their blowout sale stuff. So, just a few little things. This I really needed, and these were cheap and worth having. Can't have enough knives. I got one at work, and I needed this one. It's a little bit more compact. It folds compared to my Snap-on. So, I don't think there's a part number on this guy. Oh, here we go. Mac logo sharp. That's the part number. And the brush does not have a part number. And these, the rubber nozzles, are BGN SRT. So, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. I'll let you know how all this stuff works out. Have a good one. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.